Visual. Fast cuts of luxury cars, beach vacations, and a guy checking his phone as a stock chart goes green. Narrator. Confident tone. What if I told you the real difference between living paycheck to paycheck and waking up to money while you sleep isn't luck, hustle, or even having a six-figure salary? It's understanding one thing: the stock market. And no, you don't need a finance degree or a Wall Street connection. Just a $200 paycheck and a game plan. Beat. Let's break it down. From zero to stock market hero in 10 minutes. Stay with me till the end, because point number 5, that's the one even smart people miss, and it can cost you everything. Act 1, the setup. Why you need the stock market. 0:45 to 2:15. Narrator. Most people think the stock market is only for rich people. But here's the truth. The rich use the stock market to stay rich, and the rest of us can use it to get there. Imagine your money working harder than you do. Sounds like a dream? It's called compounding, and it's more powerful than any boss you'll ever have. Visual. Graph showing $200 invested monthly, growing over years. Narrator. If you're 20 and start investing just $50 a month, by the time you're 50, you could be sitting on over $100,000. Not bad, right? Especially for money you barely notice leaving your account. Pattern interrupt. Or you could just keep buying $8 coffees and hope the lottery works out. Your call? Act 2. The build. Stock market basics. 5 key points. 2:15 to 9. Point 1. What is the stock market? 2:15 to 3:45. The stock market is like a giant store, but instead of buying snacks, you're buying little pieces of companies. Apple, Tesla, Amazon. Owning a share means you own part of the business. And when that business grows, so does your money. Transition with humor. You're not just buying stocks, you're buying into the hustle of CEOs with way more stress than you. And they're doing the hard work while your money grows on autopilot. Point 2. How do you make money? 3:45 to 5:15. 2 main ways. The stock price goes up, or the company pays you a dividend, a slice of the profits, just for being a loyal investor. Emotional hook. Think about it. Imagine being paid just for owning something. That's money for doing nothing. And the best part? You don't need to guess the next GameStop. Smart investing is boring, and boring gets rich. Point 3. What should you invest in? 5:15 to 6:45. Start with index funds or ETFs, like buying a bundle of stocks all at once. It spreads out risk, kind of like not putting all your fries in one ketchup packet. Cliffhanger tease. But there's one type of fund you should avoid, like your ex's DMs. More on that in point number 5. Point 4. How to actually start investing. 6:45 to 8:15. You don't need a suit or even a lot of cash. Just a smartphone and a free app like Fidelity or Robinhood. Link your bank, set up auto deposits, and boom, you're investing. Pattern interrupt. Warning. You will feel cooler after your first stock purchase. Side effects may include checking your portfolio too much and casually mentioning you own Amazon in conversations. Point 5. The one mistake that destroys portfolios. 8:15 to 9. Here's the trap. High-fee mutual funds. They sound fancy, but those hidden fees, they eat away at your returns like termites. You could lose thousands over the years and never even notice until it's too late. Emotional close. It's like running a marathon with a hole in your shoe. You're working hard, but falling behind. Act 3. The resolution. Your new money mindset. 9 to 10. Narrator. Inspiring tone. You don't need to be rich to start. You need to start to get rich. The stock market isn't a gamble when you play the long game. And right now, your time is your greatest asset. Visual. Young adult clicking buy on a stock app. Cut to future version living comfortably. Narrator. This is how wealth is built. Slowly, steadily, smartly. One $200 paycheck at a time. Cliffhanger to next video. In the next video, we're diving into how to build your first $1,000 portfolio, even if you're starting from zero. Hit subscribe because your future self is already thanking you.